Greetings. There is a background process in CEPH called scrub. It checks the primary and replicated data and compares them to ensure that all objects are consistent and no objects are missed. If scrub finds that object in one of replicas has different checksum, or his replica is missed, he marks placement group of this object as inconsistent. To see if we have this case in our cluster, we can use CEPH hills detail. Yeah, there is some placement groups. Okay, that shows us all PGs in inconsistent state. Good. For example, I'll take 5, 9 B placement group and we'll try to repair it. The first step is to see what happens in CEPH logs. 5, 9B. Log CEPH. Okay. All I have to do to return the placement group to an active and clean state is CEPH PG repair. CEPH PG repair and our placement group. Okay, let's check. Good. We can do it in complex with loop. Wait a few more seconds. Okay, we have a warrant that there are too many repaired reads on one OSD. But it's okay, there are no inconsistent placement group. But remember, there are large amount of different situations and PG repair is not a panacea. Use it carefully. For erasure coded and blue store pools, CEPH will automatically repair it if OSD scrub auto repair configuration is set. By default, it is false, but we can change it in ceph.com. That's all.